Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. Absolutely beautiful spec on this one. Oh, I love it. Brownstone metallic is the exterior color. As with the new Tahoe, you can go ahead, pop just the window open. You can see your Tahoe floor mats. This one also has WeatherTechs in it. Not bad at all. Of course, you can put down the third row if you so desire. All your books and manuals. Your quick reference guide. Pretty nice that it is all color. There's your MyLink infotainment system, your warranty, and the actual manual, which is here. Normal, good size manual. There. This one has a little over, I think, what is it, 58,000 miles? Yeah, 58,275. And it's in excellent condition. Love the brown leather. Plenty of room. Do also have remote start. It starts right up. They never, from 2016, it still has the original protective seal on it. Do not know what this is. Oh, it's like a, so when you move that, you have a little kind of storage baggy coin holder. It's pretty cool. Without further ado, let's take this 5.3 for a drive. I absolutely love the Tahoe. Of course, for 2021 they did a full redesign, but this is the prior generation. It still looks really good. Six-speed automatic. Do have forward collision warning, nice heads-up display. Thing just rides so well, and I mean it is in mint condition. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.